everyone, I am back here for your next lecture. Okay, in your previous lecture I taught you about the punctuations. That in punctuations, what is the rule? The rule is that we have to start our sentence with capital letters only, and after finishing of the letter we have to put the full stop at the end of the lecture. At the end of the sentence, what we have to put? We have to put the full stop. Okay, so here is the next exercise. Rewrite with correct punctuation. Your next exercise is rewrite okay, rewrite with correct punctuation. Rewrite with correct punctuation that you have to do in your book. Okay, number 1 is already done for you. That she, see here, S is written in small. She likes chocolates. Okay, she likes chocolates. So we have to correct this sentence. So this has already completed for you here. That S, this S is wrong. This S is wrong. So here capital S will come. She, and the rest of the sentence is same. Okay, she likes chocolates. At the end of the sentence, what you have to put here? Here we have to put full stop. Okay, so like this you have to complete the rest of the exercise. Number 2, the tree is green. Number 2, what is written here? The tree, T-R-E-E, tree is green. Okay, the tree is green. So see here, that started the sentence with small letter and no full stop is there at the end of the sentence. So here we have to correct the sentence. Here what we have to do? We have to correct the sentence. Okay, so here T-H-E, the T will come in capital form here. The tree is green. The tree is green. So full stop at the end of the sentence. Like this you have to write your number 2 sentence. T will come in capital form. The tree is green. The tree is green. The tree is green. So like this you have to do your second number answer. Okay, so number 3, she is going to the market. See again, here again S is written in small form. Okay, number 3, should I erase number 2 also? Number 3, she is going to the market. Here also again it is written in small form. She is going to the market. Okay, so see again that started here the sentence with small letter and no full stop is there at the end of the sentence. Now we have to correct the sentence. So again now S will come in capital form. She is going to the market. She is going to the market. At the end of the sentence, put full stop. What you have to put? Full stop. She, S here, S will come in capital letter. Okay, because we start the sentence from the capital letter. Don't start the sentence with small letter. Okay, so here S will come in capital form. She is going to the market. At the end of the sentence, what you have to put? Full stop. So put there full stop also. Okay, now number 4. See number 4, what is written here? I visit. I want to visit the park. I want to visit incorrect way of writing the sentence? This is the correct way? No, I already told you, whenever you start the sentence, always starts with the capital letter. And if you are saying about yourself that I always you have to write in capital letters. If it will come in middle also, then also you have to write I in capital letter only if you are saying about yourself. Okay, so here again we have to write I in capital form. I want to visit the park. At the end of the sentence, full stop. I want to visit the park. I want to visit the park. So always writes I in capital form. Always writes I in capital form. Okay. Follow these rules and finish your work. You have to follow these rules. Okay. Always write I in the capital form itself. And at the end of the sentence, put full stop. Okay. Now number 5. Number 5. Maya is a nice girl. See here, name of a girl is written here. Maya is a nice girl. So now tell me, what is the incorrect form of way what they have written here? The spelling of a girl, Maya. Maya is a name of a person. So the name of a person always starts with capital letter. So this is wrong. So what we have to write here? Capital M, Maya. M-A-Y-A. Maya is a nice girl. At the end of the sentence, put full stop. So here Maya, the name of a girl. Maya is a name of a girl. So it will comes in capital form itself. So M, here the M will come in capital letter. Okay. Now write this. Okay. Always remember that the sentence always starts in capital letter. After that you can use small letters, and at the end of the sentence always put full stop. Okay, so this you have to write. Now number 6. He likes to play cricket. I am going to erase this because I am having no space here. So I am going to write number 6 here. Okay, number 6. He likes to play cricket. What he likes to play? Cricket. See, he, she always stands in capital letters only. So here again we will write he likes to play cricket. He likes to play cricket. At the end of the sentence, put full stop. Okay. He likes to play cricket. Once again, he likes to play cricket. Here H will come in capital form. Okay. So this you have to finish in your book. Okay, finished. Now let's move on page number 9. Okay, writing activities. Some activities are shown in this page. So we have to describe that activities and we have to write in writing form in your book. Okay, see, look at the pictures. See, look at the pictures and complete the sentences. We have to see the pictures and then we have to make the sentences. One has already done for you. See number 1 picture, the boy and his father, they both are playing the badminton. So the boy is saying, I play badminton with my father. Okay, I play badminton with my father. So next we have to see the picture, what they are doing, and then we have to write that in sentence form in our book. Okay. Okay. I love to. Number 2, what is written there? I love. L-O-V-E, love to. I love to dash. Now here what we have to write, what the boy is doing. Number 2, I love to dash. Okay. क्या कर रहा है बच्चा? अपनी दादी माँ के साथ क्या कर रहा है वो? बुक पढ़ रहा है ना, अपनी दादी माँ के साथ बुक पढ़ रहा है वो. So I love to read books. I love to, or you can write I love to listen story. I love to listen story, or I love to read, R-E-A-D, read book. I love to read book. Okay, I love to read. किसके साथ वो बुक पढ़ रहा है? With her grandmother. So I love to read book. Okay, I love to read book. Number 2, you can write this much only. I love to read book. Okay. Now number 3, I help my mother to. अब वो मम्मा और बेटी क्या कर रहे हैं दोनों मिलके नंबर 3 पिक्चर में? I help my mother to cook food. Okay. So on number 3, I help, H-E-L-P, help my mother. I help my mother. So what she is doing? I help my mother to cook food. Okay. What she likes to do? She likes her mother to cook food. So I help my mother to cook food. On number 3, you can see the picture and you can write the description here that I help my mother to cook food. Okay. Number 4, I go for dash. So I go for walk. I go for walk with my grandfather. With my grandfather. Full stop. Okay. See, you had seen number 4. I go for walk. See here, granddaughter and grandfather, they both went for walk. So I go for walk with my grandfather. So this you have to write on number 4. Okay. Okay, this you have to write in your book. Okay. Finished? Okay, now it's the time of dictation. Okay, so you have to listen. This is the listening part that you have to do. Okay, you have to listen me and then you have to write that dictation words in your book. Okay. Okay, so I am going to dictate some words here. So you have to write that words here in your book. Number 1, dictation. Dictation. Okay. So number 1, you have to write the spelling of love. Number 1, you have to write the spelling of love. Love. Now what is the spelling of love? L-O-V-E, love. L-O-V-E, Number 1, love. Okay, now on number 2. Number 2. We write here the spelling of father. 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 On number 2, what you will write? Father. Written. This is the dictation words from your chapter only. I am saying from your chapter only. Okay. Father. You have written father. 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 Father means papa. Okay. Now number 3. Mother. Mother means mama. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. I love my father. I love my mother. Okay. Number 3. This you have to write in your dictation words. Okay. Okay. Now number 4. Now number 4. What do you will write on number 4? Spelling of birthday. Spelling of birthday. B-I-R-T-H. Birth. D-A-Y. Day. Birthday मतलब जन्मदिन. Birthday. B-I-R-T-H. Birth. D-A-Y. Day. Birthday. Okay. Now number 5. Spelling of gift. On your birthday, you all get gifts. So spelling of gift. G-I-F-T. Gift. G-I-F-T. Gift. Okay. Spelling of gift. G-I-F-T. Gift. Okay. Now number 6. Number 6. What you will write on number 6 here? Spelling of, what you will write? Ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N. Ribbon. So these 6 words, dictation words, you have to write in your book. Number 1, L-O-V-E, love. L-O-V-E, love. Number 2, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Number 3, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Birthday. B-I-R-T-H, birth. B-I-R-T-H, birth. D-A-Y, day. Birthday. Number 5, gift. G-I-F-T, gift. G-I-F-T, gift. And number 6, ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N, ribbon. Okay, so these 6 words from your chapter only I had taken for dictation. This you have to write in your book. Okay, and now this is your homework and as well as your CW work, that write some sentences in your notebook also. Write some sentences. You can write any sentences in your notebook, but the rule is that start the sentence with capital letter, and after finishing your sentence you have to put, what you have to put? Full stop. What you have to put? Full stop. So this is the rule of writing the sentence. So after finishing this, all of the exercise in your book, it is your homework that write 5 sentences in your notebook as homework, and you have to show me that how you had written that sentences. Okay, so today we had completed our chapter 1. Today what we had completed our chapter 1. So this chapter 1 you have to do all the exercises, you have to revise all the exercises what we had previously done in our book also and in our notebook also, and learn the question answers. Okay, learn the question answers. Okay, so that it will not be difficult for you afterwards, and start reading the chapters. Okay, it can inculcate your reading habit so that it is not difficult for you to read the chapters properly. Read the chapters. If you get any difficulty to read the chapters, then first read small words, then start reading the full chapter so that you can easily read the chapters. So these are the things what we have learned today. We had completed our chapter 1. So today you have to finish page number, which page number you have to finish? Page number 8 and page number 9. Page number 8, rewrite with correct punctuation. Okay, this one you have to do in your book itself. No need to do this exercise in your notebook. Okay, then number 2 on page number 9, you have to see the pictures and you have to complete the description of that particular pictures in your book itself. And after that, dictation words are written on the board. These dictation words you have to copy in your book. And after that, what homework I had given you? That you have to write some sentences. Okay, 5 sentences you can write in your notebook, and according to the rules, that sentence should start only in capital letter and it should stop with full stop. So this is the work today you have to do in your notebook. Okay, now in our next lecture we will start the next chapter. So this work you have to do in your notebook. Understood all of you? Okay, bye. Have a nice day.